And sea defences regularly make the headlines, particularly after a period of bad weather.
From the installation of giant rocks to hold back the tide, or the more recent sandscaping scheme in Norfolk, is a subject that we return to time and time again.
Tonight it's the turn of Brightlingsea near Colchester, where a pioneering idea could change the look of sea defences in the future. Natalie Gray has more.
The waters and creeks of Brightlingsea have been fished for centuries, changing shape with every ebb and flow. Over those years, the harbour entrance has silted up, preventing commercial vessels and larger leisure boats from mooring here. But after a Dutch company dredged a 2-mile stretch of the creek, industry has returned to the quayside in substantial numbers.
I think we've done to date about 47 ships. Well, before this dredging, it was, between 6 and 10. So you can see there's an enormous increase there. And of course, the leisure users get the benefit of the additional depth as well, because the longer keeled vessels, the 2 metres, etc., they don't have to wait as long out in the creek, if they have to wait at all, before they can come in and access our visitor moorings.
And that's not all. Normally, the dredged mud would be disposed of at sea or on land. Here, they're using it to create natural sea and flood defences.
Well, the mud here in Brightlingsea is mainly silt and clay, and it's very rich. So for biodiversity and for wildlife here, the mud is very important. We've stored this mud here locally in the salt marsh. In the salt marshes as part of the borrow pit scheme, as well as on and around the eroding islands to protect the islands. And this has just provided a haven for the birds with a buffet kind of lined up for them. So it's been very successful.
Our coastline is one of the most vulnerable areas in the country. If this method could be transferred to more estuaries and creeks, we could slow down the erosion, eating away our land at a rate of hundreds of metres a year. This scheme was paid for using some local funds and money from Europe. But in order for more boats to continue navigating the rivers and harbours of our region, partnerships like William and James's must continue navigating the red tape that threatens to submerge such pioneering schemes. Natalie Gray, ITV News.